So, hi guys. Today gonna show you some crazy monkey setup. It's so freaking easy. You can do almost every day if you look more than one pair. So you're gonna do practically every day. So hear me out, pay attention, and listen carefully because it's a very powerful setup and so much easy. And before I continue, just like the video and subscribe to don't lose any other videos I'm gonna show you guys further. So first things first, we have four rules for this setup. And the first rule, we're gonna mark the 5 a.m. candle, high and low, aka 5 a.m. CRT. Okay, and I just mark one here, and probably gonna show you how it works. Okay. Second rule, we're gonna see the time window the soup or the purge occurs because it's really really important. Then the time window is compatible to our trading style, right? So we need to wait this time window here, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Okay. The third rule, we want to see a 15-minute CRT, okay, inside or in the extremities, like in the high or in the low, this 5 a.m. candle. Okay, so we need to wait a 15 minutes CRT. And the fourth rule, you gonna just choose your entry model, and it's gonna be in the time frame, 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute time frame. It can be order blocks, FVG, IFVG, breaking blocks, is marker struct, shift, so whatever you want, just pick your entry model and go forward, okay? So the first thing, we gonna mark the 5 a.m. candles, I already marked here, take me later, right? And the second rule, well, second rule can be the third can be the second because it's the same shit, okay? We need to verify if it is a 15 minutes CRT inside this time window, okay? So we drop down to the 15-minute time frame, and between 9 a.m. right here, we got a CRT. Well, we got a CRT purge, but we don't got the CRT purge we want because we want to sell in the top right here and purge the low. So didn't purge the high, break above, and continues going above. So no trades here. Okay. So let's begin. Let's see other day. Right here, we got a purge. Right. We on the top of the 5 a.m. CRT. We got the purge, but fuck yeah, look this purge, man. It's too big. That's what she said. So we can work with this. Okay, it's too it's too big. So no trades, no trades at all. Because if you look for an entry model here, your stop gonna be tremendous. Like you have like some kind of entry model here, like EFG. So you can enter here and sell up here, but it's a crappy, crappy trade, crappy risk reward. Doesn't not good at all. Okay, just not considering. It's kind of shitty. So let's see it other day. Okay. Well. So here we got a valid stop. Okay, I just marked for you guys. So we got a valid stop. We got the 5 a.m. candle right here. We got 15 minutes CRT. This huge guy here. So 15 minutes CRT. It's kind of interesting because it's gonna happen just in the time 9 a.m. Okay, and it's gonna be like sort of accumulation. It's almost every CRT is gonna be inside candle, so have this inside candle and then have this inside candle, and purge and close, and this is valid. Okay, so we drop to 1 minute to find our entry here. Just hold on a little, and we got an entry, like a good entry, like we got a this order block, and say, hi, why not this order block? Well, not going into details right now, but this isn't our order block. Okay, the real order block is this little guy. Okay, but we have the order block, close above, retapped, trigger us, and it's like carry like a little. So and then we come back and stop out. This happens. So what here's your target for this kind of operation is the half of the 5 a.m. candle. So 15% of the 5 a.m. candle. So get this tool, okay, like Gambox here, 50%, mark the 5 a.m. candle is going to be our target, 50% of 5 a.m. candle. The technical target is the other side, but don't need it to take it. It's kind of cool, the risk reward we got to the 50%, and it's almost certain it goes. So 50%. Well, almost hit it, but don't hit it. Life happens, and that's the way. So other day we got here 5 a.m. candle. Okay, first purge occurs right here. I'm gonna mark this. Like this is 15-minute candle, and this is the other 15-minute candle. Right? I'm gonna mark this for you guys. First purge occurs. Okay, inside the time window, like 9 a.m. here. Drop down to 1 minute. We gonna see this purge is not too cool. Okay. Well, well. Well. Oh, we passed one. Sorry, but no problem. I just got in there. This first purge here, like crap purge. You can't even consider this. So the second purge in the CRT here, okay, just purge here, inverse fair value gap or order block here. I just prefer the order block. You gotta several entries here, okay, because let's see, you got 15 minutes RT, total soup here. So what are you gonna do now? You're gonna look for your entry, right? It can be order blocks, it can be fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, it can be breaker blocks, sys, MSS, whatever the fuck you want, okay? And you're gonna look for it. So the order block entry is here, okay? This is the order block. Where's the order block? Here. And you got two cases. When this happens, you can just go and market chart here because it's too close for the retest, or you can wait to retest the order block, right? In this case, I will, I should take this trade right in it close, right? So close here, too short to the other block, right? Too close, sorry, too close to the other block. I will short here and target the middle point of this 5 a.m. candle. Okay, so target here. You got a nice 5.6 R trade. Okay, really cool, right? But if you don't want to use the order block entry, you can use like other other weapons that market gives you, like inverse fair value gaps, right? Normal fair value gaps. Let's change color, right? So all this shit you can use it. You can short here in this inverse fair value gap. When it comes down, you just short, or you can wait for this fair value gap and retest it and chart here. Well, you got several options. Just choose your entry model and be happy with it. And the other trade here, and I want to show you guys, is this one, right? Where it is, right here. Oh, little beautiful. Here. Oh, sorry, guys. Right. 5 a.m. candle. Right. Easy. 15 minutes CRT. Okay, 15 minutes CRT in the bottom of the 5 a.m. Right. You come down 1 minute to find your entry. Where is your entry? Where is your entry? Where is your entry? Here. Your entry here is in this inverse fair value gap, right? So you gotta be like wake up, because not every trade gonna give you an order block trade. Not every trade gonna give you a inverse fair value gap trade. Not every trade gonna give you a fair value gap trade, and you're gonna be like tied up to see what market gives you to work for. Okay, so here the market's giving you an inverse fair value gap, a fair value gap too, right? But I prefer the inverse. Like if you want to, is this fair value gap? Oh, sorry. Oops, oops, oops. Fair value gap too. Okay. So CRT, turtle soup, inverse fair value gap, close above, retested. Entry long, stop loss, target the middle of the candle, right here, 5.6R. And it's just doing that, guys. It's just simple as that, okay? If you go look on GBP, it's the same fucking shit, okay? 50 minute, we got, like, it's so easy, okay? We got no entry here, no entry. Like, I can drop you here, no entry, okay? No fucking entry, no fair value gap, no inverse fair value gap, no order block, no nothing. So no trades. Okay. Other day you gotta stop. Valid stop. It happens, right? It's not a perfect strategy, but simple. And if it's simple, it works, right? 5 a.m. candle, 15 minutes CRT, total souped, total souped. Okay. Inverse fair value gap. You got an order block here. You got fair value gap here too. Take a short. Almost hit the take profit. Almost. Okay. But comes back and stop you. It happens. Okay. Right. Other trades. Where we are. No trades at all this day. Okay. No trades at all. With time window, it's here and just melt it down. So yeah, this day we got a cool trade here. Okay. Beautiful trade here. We got 15 minutes. We got the purge, right? Because almost 9 a.m. 9 a.m. here. So remember what I said? Almost 9. Just large candle, and then inside candle, and then inside candle, and then purge, right? And then purge, drop to 1 minute. See your entry model. You gotta be order block entry model. Here is this order block. Okay, this order block. You close below, retest it, short, stop loss, take profit in the middle of this candle, 5 a.m. candle, 4-hour candle, okay? Simple as that. 6.8R, right? Other trades, yes, we get other trades. No trades at all here. We got no entries. It's a shame. Yeah, some days it happens, right? This day you don't get an entry. You just sit and watch the market makes your move and do absolutely nothing because you have no interest here, right? Purge. What do you got here? Yeah, you gotta like if you want this inverse fair value gap here, okay, you can do it right, but poor risk reward. Okay, you can like do this kind of trade. Yes, you can. Into the middle of this, it's kind of okay. It's acceptable, right? 3R, okay, not great, but acceptable. Okay, just let me change. You have fair value gap here, but don't retest it. So other days you got this day too. Here you got 5 a.m. candle, 15-minute purge, purge right here. Okay, order block, close above, come back, retest it. Take your order, going long. Stop loss here, and you target 50% of the 5 a.m. candle. More 4.7R. So in this week, you got like 7, no, 5 almost here. 5 is like 8. 8R plus 6. You got 14. 14 something, 13. 13 plus euro. You got a euro 12 with this stop loss plus 5 plus 5 points. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot for the week. Just doing this crappy monkey setup. Crappy, no. It's a huge power setup. So, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe because this works gold. Okay? So, simple rules 5 a.m. candle, high and low. 2. Time window, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. 3. 15 minutes CRT, high and low. Purge, turtle soup, find your entry model. 1 minute time frame, order block for value gap, inverse for value gap, whatever you fucking want. Take the trade, make money. Okay? Follow the channel. Goodbye.